Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete your Yubo account. For that, first of all, open up your Yubo app on your phone. After you have opened up your app, you'll see your profile icon on top right corner. Tap on it. After that, tap on settings icon, which is on top right corner. Now scroll down, and at bottom you'll see the option of delete my account. Tap on it. To confirm you're leaving, you need to type delete. After you type delete, tap on delete my account. This way you can easily delete Yubo account. I hope this video was useful to you. I'll be back with more videos. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.